Hi everyone, for those who don't know me, my name is Zara and I'm a full-time LPC with LLM student at the University of Law. This video is made in collaboration with the student lawyer. The student lawyer is a one-stop shop for aspiring solicitors. They provide guides to help you navigate your legal studies. They also provide commercial legal news, so you're up to date with important information. And they also provide tips on how to write CVs and interviewing. So the purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the LPC with the LLM. I started my course in January of this year, so unlike the September starts, I will be graduating in November of 2020. I will be talking you through the LPC as well as the LLM, because as many of you know, the LLM is optional, and many students these days decide to study the LLM alongside the LPC in connection with the government loan to fund the LPC. LPC, what does it stand for? So the LPC stands for the Legal Practice Course. It's designed to act as a bridge between the academic study of law and the practice of law. So it simply prepares you for the roles of everyday life as a trainee solicitor in England and Wales. LLM is a Master of Laws, which is a postgraduate degree designed to enhance your academic legal knowledge, allowing you to focus on specific areas of interest. Now, as I said earlier, the LLM is optional. You do not have to study it alongside the LPC, but many students wish to do this because of the government loan to fund the LPC. But let's face the truth, who wouldn't want to have an additional degree in masters? So after you complete your law degree in either GDL or LLB, you must complete the LPC if you want to qualify as a solicitor. And it's a vocational stage of training which can be commenced either on a 1-year full-time or 2-year part-time LPC involved. So you'll be taught by practicing solicitors, and the course itself is really intense. It's nothing like the undergraduate course. The way you study and the way you are examined are totally different from what you would have experienced as part of your undergraduate studies. So it requires a lot of independent work. It requires a lot of preparation for workshops. So when you go and attend the workshops, you have to be fully prepared. For example, with property law, you will be prepared for any dealings you may have in the future with landlords or tenants. For example, with interviewing, you will be provided the opportunity to learn the techniques required to conduct a first client interview by listening, advising, questioning, etc. Now, having said that, the course is intense, but it's what you make of it. If you are organised and you do not fall behind, it shouldn't go wrong. But the amount of the workload is a lot. However, please do not let the intensity of the LPC discourage you, because before I started my LPC, a lot of people were telling me that I would probably not be able to do it and I would not be able to manage it due to the fact that I've got 2 children of sensitive ages. But I'll be very honest with you, nothing is impossible. It's very much manageable as long as you know what you're doing, you're organised and you stay on track. So let's move on to the content of the course. So the course is broken into 2 stages, which covers the core modules, and those modules are compulsory. Every student must take those, and they include business law and practice, civil and criminal litigation, property law and practice, and in addition to those, practical skills such as how to conduct client meetings, advocacy, practical legal research, writing and drafting legal documents, professional conduct regulation, solicitors' accounts, taxation and wills. So I want to particularly draw your attention to tax. And if you didn't sign up for numbers when you decided to study law, then be prepared for a lot of numbers, because in the LPC there's a lot of taxation. This is something that I didn't know, but it wouldn't have stopped me from taking the LPC regardless. Stage 2 of the course consists of a series of elective modules, and the number of elective modules that you will need to take will be determined by your course provider. And but these generally include advanced criminal litigation, commercial law, commercial litigation, commercial property, employment law and practice, family law and practice, immigration law, personal injury litigation, wills and probate. So your choices of electives would ideally reflect any areas of law you're particularly interested in and you want to enhance your knowledge and skill upon. If you have obtained a training contract, it's usually the case that your firm may require you to take a particular elective, so just also bear that in mind. So towards the end of the LPC, you'll be given the opportunity to do the LLM by way of professional practice research report. It's a self-study module which gives you the opportunity to demonstrate your ability to carry out an investigation into a topic that's linked to one of the core modules or electives. The assessment consists of a written report, and you can choose the title yourself. As for the LPC, you will be examined through a range of assessments, including oral, interviewing and advocacy, and open book and closed book exams. How does the grading system work? So you'll be graded on a pass, commendation or distinction basis, and you'll only have 3 attempts at any assessment. So for example, if you fail your 3rd attempt on any assessment of stage 1, you'll be required to retake the whole stage of that course. Another point that I wanted to address to you guys in this video, which I found quite crucial, is that you must complete the LPC within 5 years of beginning the course. Now, although there's no expiration, it's ideal not to leave a big gap between completing the LPC and applying for a training contract. This is because it may show lack of commitment to the profession, which is also not good for your CV. And that brings me to the end of this video. In my next video, I intend to talk to you through how to prepare for the LPC. If you like this video, please do not forget to check out TSL's website. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me on my Instagram blog, legally_brunette91. Bye now.